Look no further than the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette. With less than 2,500 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Corvette delivers smoking performance, nimble handling, refined styling, and customizable technology to produce a unique and elevated driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, V8 engine, navigation system, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, sunroof, keyless start, premium sound system. See how refined and comfortable a supercharged track-ready automobile can be. Get into the Corvette,